Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up, what's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? So today we're about to be heading out to Work Customs, and we're going to be getting the hood that I just put on Nita's car fixed. Remember, it's the old hood from my 350Z that ended up flying up on us. So there's a little crack that I need Jesse to fix and repair for me real quick. And then later on today, when Paradox gets off work, we're going to be going out to Paradox, getting this thing color matched. That way it's all one color. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're getting into today. No need to drag out the intro. Let's just jump into today. Stock hood right here. So this is the crack that I'm most concerned with right here. I don't want to put the wrap on and then this shows through. So we're gonna be repairing that, and then the rest of this will just be exposed carbon. But that definitely needs to get fixed. That's literally the only damaged piece on the hood that I think would show up. You can kind of see like stress cracks in here a little bit. See right there. But I don't think these are gonna show up too much with the wrap. So yeah. Overall, her car's coming out pretty clean. So yeah, let's get ready to go. All right, so I'm just getting here to Works Customs right now. You can see my notchback sitting there in the same condition. You know what I'm saying? We'll probably never see this car again. You know how body shops go. Probably I may go to a Saxby shop and see what's going on with the vets. See like what the game plan is. Last night, me, Alex, and my tuner Whipple, me, Alex, and my tuner Whipple, we were all on a phone call together, just trying to come up with a game plan to figure out like what's going on, just because the situation and issue is just so bizarre. And C5 is just like a freaking thorn in my ass, man. So I'll probably go out there, pick their brain, see what we come up with, and then we'll chill there for a minute, and then we'll be off on our way to Paradoxes. Alright, this is what it's looking like right now. See, he sent it over all the stress cracks. That way they're all smooth, so when the wrap goes on, you won't even see those. It's a fat stress crack right here. Again, smooth. So yeah, once the thing is wrapped, you ain't gonna ever tell it even flew up. Alright, so a few hours went by, but we here, Saxby shop. See, Ray's over there working on the C6. We got this broken ass C5 over here. It's another topic. But main focus right now is getting the C6 all dialed in. Ray's over here messing with these new fans. This brushless setup. What's up, blood? Every time I see you look tired,
Yeah,
frustrated, hating.
Look at your core. Is it working?
Man, I know you, man. This only took you about an hour to get this done. You're gonna be like, man, I was on this shit for 4 hours already. I love fucking with Ray. So he's getting ready to pull his radiator out to get the new fan shroud set up on here. We got a new alternator on here. What was happening was the alternator, I guess, was giving out faulty voltage, and you guys know that we have that new booster pump on there. Oh, matter of fact, for us, there was somebody in the comments that was like, "Oh, can you explain what the booster pump is?" So let me go over here and show you what it is and how it works. All right, fuck, can't see. Hold on. All right, so this is kind of how this is sitting here right now. It's not done, so don't worry about the ball of wires. But yeah, so this is the booster pump right here. What the booster pump does is it basically acts as like kind of like a capacitor, basically, kind of like stores voltage for the fuel pump. What it does is basically makes, instead of it saying, let's say the alternator charges at 13.8 volts, about the time you get to the fuse box and everything, usually the fuel pump will probably see maybe 12 or something, because you usually have like a little voltage drop through the system. But what that does is it basically allows it to see 18 volts. The more power a fuel pump has, the more pressure it'll put out. So if you're having a pressure drop, usually you can do a hot wire kit, which you can wire to the alternator with like a relay setup, give it more volts, or you can do it with the booster pump. So before we were saying like 11 something at the fuel pump, and then now we were once we put this on, we were seeing 16, but we're thinking we're getting a faulty reading from the alternator. So we'll see now with the new alternator if we actually get a full 18 volts at that fuel pump now. All right, so just got done talking to Ray for a cool little minute. He said that the booster pump is working now. So booster pump's working, and then we have the DSX hot wire kit for the FlexFuel stuff. All that's all hooked up along with the fuel pump. So everything is working together how it should be. So only thing left is to really get this fan on, new thermostat. We're about to go on a test drive with Ray and see if this thing heats up. I guess right now in this weather, like, everything's getting hot. This car's getting hot. That Vet's getting hot. My Vet's getting hot. My C5 was getting hot. I think it's just too damn hot in Sacramento. Like, when I get back by my house, car runs fine. The moment I come over here, it's hella hot, and it seems like everybody's having the same issues right now. Boy, we are, I don't trust those things. Ooh. I don't think that's gonna hook up. I say you going the wrong way, bro. See if we get hot. We're about to see right now. 201. It's like what? 104.
104.
Jesus. This be, man, the heat out here is disrespectful.
It is.
Look, going up already. 203. Oh, it went back down.
Man,
Look at them air intake temps though.
It'll go down because it's been idling.
Looking like it's better. So yesterday this thing was at like 230. Here we are today, 215. About to hit some, yeah, 104 outside, and we're about to hit traffic right now. But the highest it got when we're kind of sitting there driving on the street was 222. And that's all she wrote for that. Success. It's time to go. About to be heading to Paradoxes. Ray over here turning off all the lights, ready to cut.
Hot as fuck.
That ain't that bad no more.
100 still?
All right, so I'm just getting here to my boy Paradox house now. He's not here currently. That fool's out at dinner or something, so I beat him here. So I'm gonna just wait for him to get here, and then as soon as he gets here, we're gonna jump on wrapping this hood up. All right, so you already know where we at.
The most dangerous rapper in the game.
This naked man.
Hey, I'm working on my six-pack, but you know, early stages. I'm still
Yeah, me too.
still can't out.
I'm working on my 6-pack too.
You know, every day at work, I'm going down to the parking garage. Push-ups.
I'm working on mine. Y'all just can't tell.
Sorry.
It's under there, but
Don't let me get a 6-pack before you.
dude,
I'm
so
to the gym. And
yeah,
fight
but
and shit.
it's all about eating healthy. I ain't been eating healthy.
Oh, man.
Dude, we about to go on vacation tomorrow. Like, how am I supposed to eat healthy on vacation?
Vacation. Only all you eat is lobster.
Nah, tomorrow, this weekend will be my last day. And then I gotta get back on my shit.
Did you reserve Hell's Kitchen?
No,
Oh, dude, I reserved that for the end of August. It's gonna be dope.
no.
Full 5-course meal.
Yeah, not doing that. We ain't rich.
Bro,
We're poor out here.
no, you're rich.
Poor out here.
Stop spending all your money on your cars.
Then I ain't gonna make no money on YouTube.
Every one of your car don't need to be turbo.
It does.
Okay?
You gotta set standards out here,
You gotta
man.
have half NA, half turbos.
Dude, imagine if I was one of those people that was like averaging like 500K at least a video. Boy, you know what type of cars I would have?
I know.
I'm
They hate me.
I'm doing what I can on a budget. It's like everything goes to the car, mortgage, gas, and at that point the rest of the month I gotta eat like a couple noodle.
What if you sell half of them and then get yourself a real supercar?
Nah, I'm not into supercars.
You know, like get a Viper. Sell half of them, get a Viper.
I would get a Viper, but
sell one, get a Viper.
I'd definitely get a Viper, but then I'd mod it though, so it would like be the same shit, just more expensive to build.
Yeah, but that's what people watch, right?
Not really, because
More
people watch what they can relate to.
I don't even know what's good. What makes good YouTube videos? I just do shit.
You just rap. You don't have no overhead. Like you ain't got to build nothing. You just everything is like positive growth and income for you.
Because I don't get paid to be fast. I only get paid to look good. All right, let's see.
So as we're talking about 6-packs and stuff, Michelle comes out with ice cream cake.
Ice cream cake.
We're talking about who's gonna get a 6-pack first, and you just ruined the thing.
Heck no.
We'll start again tomorrow. Nah.
Ice cream.
Every day we'll start. Tomorrow's the day.
When you're Asian, ice cream passed right through you. So don't worry, I'm gonna get it right. It goes right there.
Lactose intolerant.
Yep.
All right, getting there. Just got one more vent, then to trim off the rest of this, and then fold the sides over. And then we also gonna fill these right here, add a separate seam for the little purple that we can see. But looks good. Need this little Z's looking good. All right, so here it is, the finished product.
Those vents are looking good.
Yeah. Paradox over here with his new guitar.
Hopefully they don't lift. We'll see.
Yeah, it looks sick.
And it looks good with the black hood. Oh, with the black vents on it.
It just needs the LS3 swap in here now. I need to hurry up and just throw it in. Yes. Can't be having her out here with stock DE. I'm gonna put the LS3 in there, get an insurance policy on her.
For what? Oh, on Nita?
Yeah, put life insurance on her.
There you go. There you go. Oh, somebody's gotta notice this.
Oh yeah, let me get that. I got that. Move. You don't do window wipers.
Shit, bro. Too technical for me.